Hi everyone, welcome to the April 2009 vlog update for Ecuadorian Rainforest. Thank you so much for coming back online and checking out what's going on here at Ecuadorian Rainforest LLC. First off, the April 2009 sales specials are up on the web, so visit www.intotherainforest.com/news. You'll see that there are a lot of fruits and vegetables this month on sale, so get ready, take a look, and place your orders. Next up, SupplySide East in Secaucus, New Jersey is starting on April 27th. We're exhibiting at this show, and our booth number is booth 1215. That's 1215. I'm personally excited for this show because we're debuting our new catalog, which is right here. I've got the rough copy before it's going out to the printers, and it's titled Ingredients and then in parentheses Ideas. Now, what that is that we've got tons of different ingredients in here, all the superfoods, condition-specific ingredients, and hopefully this will spur your imagination to come out with a really great new product. Hence the name, Ingredients, and then in parentheses, Ideas. So, first I'd like to thank Fernando, our design guy. He did an amazing job. And please come by to our booth at SupplySide East, booth 1215, to take a look. Now, if you're not going to be at the SupplySide East show, you have another opportunity to see us, which is at Vitafoods, which happens a week later. Vitafoods happens in Geneva, Switzerland. Now, if that's a little too far, you're not going to be at that show either. After SupplySide East, which is the 27th of April, you can shoot us an email at info@intotherainforest.com, and we'll be happy to mail you out or email you a copy of Ingredients Ideas. Now on to some major news. Marlene Siegel, president of Ecuadorian Rainforest, just got back from a trip to Ecuador. Not only did this give her an opportunity to visit her family, but she also got to visit the foundation of our business, which is the Ecuadorian Rainforest. So, I've created a little slideshow of her trip. She had an amazing time. She got to sit down with the farmers and discuss things like sustainability, giving back to the indigenous people, an outlook on the crops, keeping our supply consistent, something that we find very important at Ecuadorian Rainforest because anyone can supply from any part of the world, but it takes a true native to go back to their homeland, like Marlene Siegel did, and really just keep up with that relationship that we have, such a strong one in South America. So, without any further ado, I present to you Marlene Siegel's president of Ecuadorian Rainforest South American trip. Enjoy.